Hey there, Year 12. So in this example here, we're going to be doing perpetuity, but now using the finance solver to do this problem. So similarly, again, if you've watched my examples for 15 and 14, you'd understand what perpetuity is. Then a university mathematics faculty has $30,000 to invest. So they're putting in $30,000 to invest. It intends to award an annual mathematics prize of $1,500 with the interest earned from investing this money in a perpetuity. So they tell you it's a perpetuity, implying that the $30,000 that they invest will not be used. So again, with the diagram that I've been drawing in our previous examples, they're putting in $30,000, okay, to an account, and that company or account or institution or organization is happy. They will then pay back a certain amount based on the interest earned, which we don't know, per annum. And we know that they will get paid, or at least the university will get paid $1,500. Okay, so $1,500 is how much they're getting back, which is the D value. Okay, so the question is, what is the minimum interest rate that will allow this prize to be awarded indefinitely? Meaning, we've got the amount of $30,000 invested. We need to know, what rate can I guarantee that I will get $1,500 back? So what percentage of $30,000 will give me $1,500 continuously? So again, we can go back to our CAS over here, and I'm just going to do this so that we can split screen. Okay, so there we go. And we're now going to go to menu number 8, which is finance, and number 1 for finance solver. And here we go. So we want to know, in 1 year, so compounding once, we don't know what the interest rate is yet. We know the present value is 30,000, but remember, this is not 30,000 that is the bank giving to you, it's you giving to them. So it's out of your pocket. So remember, it's negative 30,000 because it's not the bank giving it to you, it's you giving it to the bank, right? And then payments, you want $1,500. Now you want that to be positive because that's what they're giving to you. That's what the bank gives you as the money. And in terms of your future value, well, you don't want that $30,000 to disappear. You want it to stay as $30,000. Okay, so the future value is, it's still $30,000 that the bank has. Okay, so you can see here, it's compounded, again, was it monthly? Let me just, what was the question? Did they say minimum interest earned from investing the money? Did it say monthly price? No, it's a yearly price. So we can keep it all as payments per year is 1. So yeah, that's about it. So then I go back, whoops. I go back to, here we go. We go back to your I, so interest, and you press enter here, and that should tell me the interest rate that I would need. So I'm going to press enter, and it comes up with 5%. So it shows me that I need a minimum of 5% per annum. Okay, so I'm just going to go back here just to paste. Here we go. So you can see in the finance solver, I figured out now that I need 5%. That's the rate that's needed. 5% per annum is what I would need if I want $30,000 in the account of this organization, and they will give me, I guess, a yearly payment of $1,500. Okay, and I'll use that to then, I guess, award a annual mathematics prize of $1,500. Okay, so that's what you can do with your finance solver. But just be careful with the signs. So those are key when you're doing this, just to make sure, is it money that you're giving to the bank, or is it the bank giving you money? And it matters. So if it's money out of your pocket, you're losing money, so hence minus. If the bank's giving you money, hence more money in your pocket, means plus. Okay, so that's